Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to create a simple but effective mask transition in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First scroll to the end of your first layer. From that point, move back 15 frames by pressing page up. Now drag your second clip so it overlaps by 15 frames. Move back to the end of the bottom layer and split the top layer into two parts. The left section will become our mask transition. Go to the beginning of that layer and select the rectangle tool. Start masking out the top part of your video, similar to what I am doing here. Once that's finished, move 5 frames forward and duplicate the layer. Trim the start of the new layer by holding Alt and pressing the opening bracket key. Now press M on your keyboard to show the mask, and click Mask 1 to select it. Drag the mask down. You can also adjust the shape here. I will make mine slightly smaller since I will be adding more masks. Once you are finished, move 4 frames forward and duplicate the layer again. Trim the beginning of this new duplicate. Just like before, press M on your keyboard, select the mask, and move it down into position. Let's do that one more time using the exact same steps. When you are all done, press U to hide the layer settings and preview your result. The mask transition is now complete. To make it look even better, I am going to add a shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get these shakes from the link in the description, or you can also check out my shake tutorials here on the channel. With the shake applied, let's preview the final transition. And there we go, we are all finished. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.